Sunrise ablaze, new day dawning. Me feel the spirit move. Jah calling, Jah calling. Hear the sound. Jah calling all around. Babylon walls them fall, ancient wisdom flow. Open your heart, soul, let the truth grow. Jah calling, hear the sound. Jah calling all around. Sunrise ablaze, new day dawning. Me feel the spirit move. Jah calling, Jah calling. Hear the sound. Jah calling all around. Babylon walls them fall, ancient wisdom flow. Open your heart, soul, let the truth grow. Jah calling, hear the sound. Jah calling all around. Oh, ah, oh, ah. Na, 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 na. Yeah, oh, ah, yeah. Walk good, my brother, inna the storm. Jah keep the fire when the night get warm. Stone by stone, we build up the mind. Every little scar it a teach mankind. Rasta man knows say pain got a reason. Even the hard road change with the season. Babylon talk, but truth still stand. Wisdom like rain in your hand. So when me head get heavy, me heart still light. Jah put the star them through the night. One love, one breath, one beat of life. Hold on tight, everything can't be right. Jah calling, Jah calling. Hear the drum and answer. Jah calling, Jah calling. Lift your heart up higher. Jah calling, Jah calling. No fear can hold we. Jah calling, Jah calling. Stand firm and be free. Jah. Me see the youth, them hungry for you. Too much chain round them neck, too tight for cope. But every seed want rise to the sun. Every black heart knows say the work not done. Take your trial, make it into song. If you're still a breathe, then you're still strong. Make mercy guide all your step and talk. Even hard does still turn to chalk. So when the road get rough and the sky stay gray, Jah nah leave it there all the way. One love, one mind, one righteous flame. Calling, know, you know your name. Jah calling, Jah calling. Enough man chase shadow, miss the sun. Jah light shine for everyone. So if you feel low, then sing it low. Rise up, humble, let up, bro. From the struggle come the sweetest palm in a Jah hand. Your soul stay calm. Jah calling, Jah calling. Hear the drum and answer. Jah calling, Jah calling. Lift your heart up higher. Jah calling, Jah calling. No fear can hold we. Jah calling, Jah calling. Stand firm and be free. Walk good, me brother. Walk good, me sister. Jah voice inna the wine, hear it clearer. Hold the faith when the road get long. Jah calling, and we answer strong. Na na na, na 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 na. Walk with me, brother, inna the storm. Jah keep the fire when the night get warm. Stone by stone, we build up the mind. Every little scar it a teach mankind. Rasta man know say pain got a reason. Even the hard road change with the season. Babylon talk, but truth still stand. Wisdom like rain in your hand. So when me head get heavy, me heart stay alive. Jah put the star them through the night. One love, one breath, one beat of life. Hold pan tight, everything gon' be right. Jah calling, Jah calling. Hear the drum and answer. Jah calling, Jah calling. Lift your heart up higher. Jah calling, Jah calling. No fear can hold we. Jah calling, Jah calling. Stand firm and be free. Me see the youth them hungry fi hope. Too much chain round them neck, too tight fi cope. But every seed want rise to the sun. Every black heart know say the work not done. Take your trial, make it into song. If you still a breathe, then you're still strong. Make mercy guide how you step and talk. Even our dust still turn to Jah. So when the road get rough and the sky still gray, Jah nah leave it there all the way. One love, one mind, one righteous flame. Call him no, he know your name. Jah calling, Jah calling. Hear the drum and answer. Jah calling, Jah calling. Lift your heart up higher. Jah calling, Jah calling. No fear can hold we. Jah calling, Jah calling. Stand firm and be free. Me don't know life no promises, but truth grows strong like roots in a the breeze. Enough man chase shadow, miss the sun. Jah light shine for everyone. So if you feel low, then sing it low. Rise up, humble, head up, proud. From the struggle come the sweetest palm in a Jah hand. Your soul stay calm. Jah calling, Jah calling. Hear the drum and answer. Jah calling, Jah calling, Jah calling, Jah calling. If your heart up higher. Jah calling, Jah calling, Jah calling. No fear can hold we. Jah calling, Jah calling, Jah calling. Stand firm and be free. Walk with me, brother. na na. Where you rushing for, brethren? Sun up, sun down, same road. Mountains don't beg the valley, still them carry the load. Every man have to know himself before him talk about road. The meek man build the bridge, and the proud man walk alone. Babylon sell pretty mirrors, but it don't show your face. Jah put truth in a bare feet, not in silk or lace. So lift your head, my son, hear the trumpet in your chest. Every storm got a ending, every wound got a race. Jah calling, hear it clear. Jah calling, hold on dear. Jah calling, through the fear. Jah calling, near and near. Jah calling, mind your way. Jah calling, night and day. Jah calling, rise and stay. Jah calling, come what may. If you plant one seed in darkness and you trust the morning rain, he don't need no load of applause to prove it grow again. Some man chase empty plenty and them belly still feel dry. Some man own a crooked smile and still don't know why. But wisdom walk in a silence like rain on dry cane fields. It teach the hand to give up pride and let the heart get healed. So when your feet get weary and you look far away, remember every sunrise was a promise from yesterday. Jah calling, hear it clear. Jah calling, hold on dear. Jah calling, through the fear. Jah calling, near and near. Jah calling, mind the way. Jah calling, night and day. Jah calling, rise and stay. Jah calling, come what may. No king outlive the spirit, no chain outlive the truth. A humble mouth can bless the earth and keep the fire in you. Yeah. So if you fall, get up swinging. If you cry, let it rain. Jah no waste one honest tear. He turns salt into gain. Jah calling, hear it clear. Jah calling, hold on dear. Jah calling, through the fear. Jah calling, near and near. Jah calling, mind your way. Jah calling, night and day. Jah calling, rise and stay. Jah calling, come what may. Jah calling, hear it clear. Jah calling, hold on dear. Jah calling, live and give. Jah calling, learn to forgive. Na-na. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Hey, na-na. Where you rushing for, brethren? Sun up, sun down, same road. Mountains don't beg the valley, still them carry the load. Every man have to know himself before him talk about road. The meek man build the bridge, and the proud man walk alone. Babylon sell pretty mirrors, but it don't show your face. Jah put truth in a bare feet, not in silk or lace. So lift your head, my son, hear the truth. it clear. Jah calling, hold on dear. Jah calling, through the fear. Jah calling, near and near. Jah calling, mind your way. Jah calling, night and day. Jah calling, rise and stay. Jah calling, come what may. If you plant one seed in darkness and you trust the morning rain, it don't need no load of applause to prove it grow again. Some man chase empty plenty and them bellies still feel dry. Some man own a crooked smile and still don't know why. But wisdom walk in a silence like rain on dry cane fields. It teach the hand to give up pride and let the heart get healed. So when your feet get weary and your look far away, remember every sunrise was a promise from yesterday. Jah calling, hear it clear. Jah calling, hold on dear. Jah calling, through the fear. Jah calling, near and near. Jah calling, mind your way. Jah calling, night and day. Jah calling, rise and stay. Jah calling, come what may. No king outlive the spirit, no chain outlive the truth. A humble mouth can bless the earth and keep the fire in you. So if you fall, get up swinging. If you cry, let it rain. Jah no waste one honest tear, he turns salt into gain. Jah calling, hear it clear. Jah calling, hold on dear. Jah calling, through the fear. Jah calling, near and near. Jah calling, mind your way. Jah calling, night and day. Jah calling, rise and stay. Jah calling, come what may. Jah calling, hear it clear. Jah calling, hold on dear. Jah calling, live and give. Jah calling, learn to forgive. Ah, ah.
Rise up, me brethren, at the firelight. When the road get rocky, still we hold it right. Babylon scheme, but truth can't drown. Jah plant seed in at the concrete ground. Watch how the storm cloud try broke the day. Still the lion heart find its own way. Every black seed know if you reach the sun. Small little step and the work get done. Hear me now, hold firm, no fret. Every sorrow will come, Jah not forget. From the ash and dust, new life grow tall. If you hear that call, answer that call. Jah calling, Jah calling. Stand up, stand up. Jah calling, Jah calling. Lift up, lift up. Make your soul burn clean. Make your whole mind open. Jah calling, Jah calling. We no weak, we chosen. Missy man sell out for a shiny thing, but a empty and can't feed no king. Breed like Cain, fire run through the field. Still love and mercy is the highest shield. Learn from the river how it bend and go. It meet every stone, still it know fi flow. Learn Learn from the cedar how it plant in pain. Deep in the earth it still chase rain. So hold your vibes, no about to fear. Truth got legs and it soon appear. When your heart feel low and your road get raw, just speak soft but it reach through all. Jah calling, Jah calling. Stand up, stand up. Jah calling, Jah calling. Lift up, lift up. Make your soul burn clean. Make your whole mind open. Jah calling, Jah calling. We no weak, we chosen. From long time struggle, we no lose the faith. Every wound become wisdom in the gate. Me no follow shadow, me follow light. Silla in the dark, we still get sight. Jah calling, Jah calling. Stand up, stand up. Jah calling, Jah calling. Lift up, lift up. Make your soul burn clean. Make your whole mind open. Jah calling, Jah calling. We know weak, we chosen. Yes, can know. Rise up, my brother, inna the firelight. When the road get rocky, still we hold it right. Babylon scheme, but truth can't drown. Chaplain seed inna the concrete ground. Watch out the storm cloud try broke the day. Still the lion not find it own way. Every black seed know fi reach the sun. Small little step and the work get done. Hear me now. Hold firm, no fret. Every sorrow will come, Jah not forget. From the ash and dust, new life grow tall. If you hear that call, answer that call. Jah calling, Jah calling. Stand up, stand up. Jah calling, Jah calling. Lift up, lift up. Make your soul burn clean. Make your whole mind open. Jah calling, Jah calling. We know we chosen. This man sell out for a shiny thing, but a empty and can't feed no king. Greed like Cain, fire run through the field. Still love and mercy is the highest shield. Learn from the river how it bend and go. It meet every stone, still it know fi flow. Learn from the cedar how it plant in pain. Deep in the earth it still chase rain. So hold your vibes, no boat to fare. Truth got legs and it soon appear. When your heart feel low and your road get raw, just speak soft but it reach through all. Jah calling, Jah calling. Stand up, stand up. Jah calling, Jah calling. Lift up, lift up. Make your soul burn clean. Make your whole mind open. Jah calling, Jah calling. We know we chosen. From long time struggle, we no lose the faith. Every wound become wisdom in the gate. Me no follow shadow, me follow light. Silla in the dark, we still get sight. Jah calling, Jah calling. Stand up, stand up. Jah calling, Jah calling. Lift up, lift up. Make your soul burn clean. Make your whole mind open. Jah calling, Jah calling. We know we chosen. Jah calling, Jah Jah calling, same truth, same road. Jah calling, carry your load.